When choosing a POE network cable, you must consider the following core factors. Cable material. Oxygen-free copper wire is the most efficient material for transmitting POE power. There are also aluminum-clad copper, CCA, wires on the market, which are cheaper, but have higher resistance and are not suitable for transmitting POE power over long distances. Wire diameter. The thicker the wire diameter, the lower the power loss of transmission. It is generally recommended to use cables above 2/3 AWG, American wire gauge, to reduce power loss. Cable standards. At least network cables that meet or exceed Cat 5e standards should be used to ensure sufficient bandwidth and low signal interference.